Kia ora guys and welcome to another flip video. Today we are looking at antonyms. What's an antonym? Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings to other words. For example, big is the opposite of small, wet is the opposite of dry, sad is the opposite of happy. Antonyms, think opposite. Some prefixes can be used to create antonyms. For example, if you put un in front of happy, you get unhappy, which is the opposite of happy. If you put un in front of do, you get undo, which is the opposite of doing something. If you put dis in front of like, you get dislike, which is the opposite of liking something. If you put dis in front of appear, you get disappear, which is the opposite of something appearing. If you put miss in front of behave, you get misbehave, which is the opposite of behaving. If you put non in front of sense, you get nonsense, which is the opposite of something making sense. If you put anti in front of clockwise, you get anti-clockwise, which is the opposite direction to clockwise. Alright guys, remember, antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning. Ka pai. See ya.